ToffeeTV.com.
Hi, I'm Tara and I love rainbow looming. So today I'm going to be showing you a bracelet using the dragon scale technique, and you'll be needing a loom, a hook, blue, yellow, green and white bands and 4 S-clips. So let's get started. Now first of all, you're just going to be needing this line. So we're going to take off these two. So you pull these out, or what you can do is you take this one out, okay, and the other side as well, and then you put this aside. Then take this out, put it to the side, and take this one out and put it to the side. So what you'll just be needing is this. Now you're going to take a green band and start from the second peg and make an 8. So like this, onto the next peg. और ये जगह छोड़ के यहाँ पे एक 8 बनाने हैं. Now you're going to take another green band and you're going to fill these 2 spaces. Now you're going to take your hook and see, you have this underneath band and you're just going to pull it over. So take this band, okay, and pull it over like this. So basically this is how it's supposed to look like. Now you're going to push these down, okay, and you're going to take another green band और यहाँ पे ऐसे इसको लगा देंगे. Now you're going to take this underneath band, okay, and now you're going to take this one. Now you're going to take another green band and you're going to fill these spaces. So this is how it's supposed to look like. Now we're going to start off with the second color. So you take yellow and put it across. Leave space, put it across. So like this. So as you can see, you have this net shaped band which is gonna turn out to be dragon scale. So like this. And now as you can see, this is the starting of the dragon scale. So like this, okay. Now you're gonna get another white band and go through these 2 bands. Take this, go through and put it on like this. Then you're gonna take your S-clip and put it on. So like this. Take your hook off. this is how it's supposed to look like. Now what you're gonna do is, you have these 4 sides and you have 4 sides over here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take one S-clip capped band and the one over here, so let's say this one. What you're gonna do is you're gonna attach the S-clip onto here. So this is how it's supposed to look like, and this is your dragon scale bracelet. So this is what it's supposed to look like. Hope you liked it, and I'll see you next time with more techniques. Keep looming with me. Bye!
ToffeeTV.com. For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.